All right, thanks for coming back for number 17 through the end. All right, so show work on 17 through 19. Remember, we need to always know our order of operations, okay? And so we need to always be thinking about what do we do first. So right here, if I take a look at 17, I have division and addition. So my division is going to be done first. I'm going to underline 16 divided by 2, that is 8. And I'm going to add 1, and that equals 9. Number 18, I have a lot of things going on. I see an exponent, I see parentheses, I see subtraction, multiplication, and division. I look first in my parentheses. I can simplify 4 squared. 4 squared is 16 minus 21 divided by 5. I carry everything down. Then I continue inside my parentheses, and I have 2 parentheses negative 5 divided by 5. And even though I have multiplication and division left in my problem, I have to simplify from left to right. So 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Divided by 5 is negative 2. So this entire expression simplifies the whole way down to negative 2. Number 19, I'm asked to evaluate the quantity x plus 4 squared minus 4 when x is 5. So I first substitute 5 in for x. I simplify parentheses first. 5 plus 4 is 9 squared minus 4. 9 squared is 81 minus 4. And 81 minus 4 is 77. Now, numbers 20 and 21, I'm asked to translate each word phrase into an algebraic expression. So the quotient of 45 and negative 15. Quotient, if you recall, is a division problem. So we can write it as 45 divided by negative 15. Or we could write it as 45 over negative 15, because that also shows division. Number 21, the difference of 16 and the product of x. Okay? So the difference of 16 and the product of x. I think we're just going to change this to 16 and the product of x. That's right, 16 and the product of x. So we should have 16x. All right, 22, the expression c equals pi times d can be used to find the circumference of a circle where d is the diameter and 3.14 can be substituted for pi. If a circle has a diameter of 7 inches, what is the circumference? So here's my circle, and my diameter is the entire way across, and that's 7 inches. I can substitute 3.14 in for pi times 7. And when you do 3.14 times 7, you should get a circumference of 21.98 inches. All right, make sure you always draw a picture. Number 23, 24, and 25, we're going to simplify each expression. So again, I'm working with PEMDAS. I look at 23, and I know I want to do my multiplication first. So 1/4 times 30 is equal to 7.5, and then I'm going to add 5. When I do that, I get 12.5. Number 24, I see x's in there. Do you remember what property we need to use? We need to remember, hopefully you do, the distributive property. 8 times 3 is 24. Then minus 8 times 2x is minus 16x. Then I can use the commutative property to rearrange and get like terms next to like terms, right? So these are my like terms. So I could have 5x minus 16x plus 24. When I do that math, when I do 5 minus 16 in the calculator, I should get negative 11x plus 24. That's my answer. At number 25, I have negative 12x plus 4y minus 5y. These two are my like terms. So I can carry down negative 12x. And I could do a plus negative 5y, or I could just do minus. 4y minus 5y is negative y. So I have negative 12x minus y. Numbers 26 and 27, we're going to look at the coordinate plane. What are the coordinates of point B? Well, point B, remember, ordered pairs are x comma y. So that's 2 and 3. So 2 comma 3. In which quadrant does point A lie? Remember, this is quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. So point A is in quadrant 3. Or if you wanted to write it with the numeral, that's fine too. All right, number 28. Generate ordered pairs for the function y equals negative 2x using these as your x values. They're already put into your table. Let's graph the ordered pairs. Now, I do want to see work, so please make sure you add the work. We're going to start off with y equals negative 2 times negative 2. I'm substituting in for x. So y equals, well, negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. Then I can go graph it. Negative 2, 4. Okay. Next one. Y is equal to negative 2 times negative 1. So y is equal to 2. So my ordered pair, negative 1, 2. My next one. Y is equal to negative 2 times 0. Y is equal to 0. 0, 0. Remember that point's called the origin. Y is equal to negative 2 times 1. So y is equal to negative 2. So 1, negative 2. Notice the straight lines forming. And last one, y is equal to negative 2 times 2. Y is equal to negative 4. So 2, negative 4. Those are my ordered pairs. Last question, number 29. In going from step 1 to step 2, so from this step to this step, what property of addition allows you to simplify the expression the following way? Circle your answer. So commutative, associative, or distributive? Remember, associative is when we group. Okay, distribute is when we distribute something. And commutative is when you can rearrange. Remember, these two only work with multiplication or addition, where order does not matter. So let's look from step 1 to step 2. Well, what actually happened here? Okay, so look here. It looks like this number went there and this number went there. So what happened? They rearranged. They didn't group anything yet. That's step 3. But you rearrange. So that is indeed a commutative. All right, so please make sure you have all of these corrections and then resubmit to Canvas. And I will see you next class. Have a great day.